Hey MoneyBot fans, let's cut to the chase. You want to make money online, and this Google Sites thing, it's a hidden gem for those of us who want to start strong without breaking the bank. Fancy website builders can be cool, but let's be real, those monthly fees add up fast when you're just starting a business. That's where Google Sites comes in. It's free, beginner friendly, and way more powerful than you might think. Don't need to be a tech genius either. The drag and drop interface makes it easy to create a professional looking website in no time. Now, I know what you're thinking, free is great, but how do I turn that into actual cash? That's where the fun starts. With a little hustle and strategy, you can turn your Google site into a passive income machine, generating money even while you're catching some Z's. Seriously, it's possible. We'll dive deeper into how to make that happen later, so stay tuned. First, let's talk about the foundation of your online empire, your niche. This isn't about picking a random topic just because it sounds cool. Not at all. You gotta be strategic if you want those dollar bills rolling in. Think of your niche as your specialty, your area of expertise. It's where you shine the brightest and where you can offer the most value to your audience. Now, here's the deal, you want a niche that gets people fired up. Something they're actively searching for answers to, products to buy, or services to sign up for. Maybe it's helping busy moms get fit on a tight schedule. Maybe it's sharing secrets to backpacking Europe on the cheap. Or maybe it's teaching people how to build their very own profitable websites. Hey, I might be onto something there. The key is to find the sweet spot between something you're passionate about and something that has the potential to make money. Do your homework. What's trending? What problems do you see people talking about online? What skills do you have that you can share? The more targeted you are, the easier it'll be to attract the right audience, and build a loyal following that trusts you and is willing to open their wallets. Alright, now that you got your niche locked down, it's time to create the good stuff, the content that's gonna make you the go-to expert in your field. We're not talking about fluffy, useless content though. We're talking about high quality, valuable information that people desperately need. The kind of stuff they're actively searching for on Google and YouTube. Imagine this, your website is the solution to your audience's problems. Every time they stumble on your content, it's like a light bulb going off. You're providing answers, teaching skills, and making their lives easier. That is how you gain trust and position yourself as the go-to expert for your niche. Now, don't get hung up on just one way to deliver your wisdom. Blog posts are awesome for in-depth articles and tutorials. Infographics? Perfect for breaking down complex information in a quick, visual way. And don't underestimate the power of video. Get in front of the camera and show your personality, people connect with people. Or you could do faceless videos. It's really up to you. Mix it up and find what works best for you and your audience. The more engaging and helpful your content is, the more traffic you'll drive to your Google site, and you know what that means. More opportunities to monetize. Speaking of monetize, this is where the real magic happens. We're talking about turning your passion project, your awesome Google site, into a legitimate cash-generating machine. And believe me, there are multiple ways to rake in the dough. First up, affiliate marketing. This is all about partnering with other businesses that align with your niche. You promote their products or services on your site, through blog posts, reviews, videos, whatever fits your style. Every time someone clicks your special affiliate link and makes a purchase, you get a sweet commission. It's basically like getting paid for simply recommending products. Second, we've got sponsored content. As you build your authority in your niche, brands might start coming around. They'll want to tap into your audience, and will be willing to pay you good money to create content that features their products or services. This could be a sponsored blog post, a dedicated product review video, or even a shout out on your social media. Just make sure it aligns with your values and provides value to your audience. And finally, let's talk about the star of the show, Google AdSense. This is where you let Google place little ads on your website. It might not sound like much, but every time someone sees an ad or clicks on it, that's money adding up. With enough traffic and the right strategy, those little clicks can add up to serious passive income over time. But let's face it, even the most amazing Google site in the world won't make you a dime if no one ever sees it. That's where traffic comes in. We're talking about getting eyeballs on your content, flooding your website with visitors eager to soak up your knowledge, and potentially click on those money-making links and ads. First things first, become best buds with SEO, that's search engine optimization. This is all about making sure your website plays nice with Google and other search engines. You want your content to rank high in search results when people type in keywords related to your niche. Mastering SEO takes a bit of learning, but it's a long-term game that can reap massive rewards in the form of organic traffic. Next up, let's harness the power of social media. Don't just build your website and hope people magically appear. Get out there on platforms where your target audience hangs out. Share your awesome content, engage with potential followers, and build a community around your niche. Become a regular face on social media, and you'll see that loyal community drive traffic back to your Google site. And hey, don't underestimate the good old-fashioned email list. Offer a freebie or an amazing newsletter as an incentive to sign up. Once you have a list of engaged subscribers, you can send them regular updates, drive them back to your website, and promote any offers you've got going on. An email list is a powerful tool to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Alright, let's be honest. You didn't start this hustle to just make a few extra bucks. You're in it to build a real online empire, one that brings in serious income, and ultimately gives you that financial freedom you crave. So, while your Google site is a fantastic foundation, let's talk about scaling things up to the next level. First up, digital products. We're talking about packaging your knowledge and expertise into ebooks, online courses, or even snazzy printables that people are willing to pay for. This not only creates an additional revenue stream, but it also positions you as the ultimate expert in your field. Imagine having a whole suite of products that seamlessly lead people back to your main Google site. That's marketing gold. Next, think beyond just your website. If you love writing, start a blog on a related topic. If you're a natural on camera, fire up a YouTube channel or podcast in your niche. Cross-promote between your website and these other platforms, and voila! You've expanded your reach exponentially. Speaking of reach, collaborations are your secret weapon. Team up with other influencers, bloggers, or businesses in your niche. Do guest posts on their websites, participate in joint webinars, or even create a bundled product together. This exposes you to a whole new audience and can boost your credibility instantly. Finally, never stop striving to become the authority figure in your space. Consistently deliver awesome, problem-solving content, and your reputation will soar. This opens the door to even bigger opportunities, consulting gigs, speaking engagements, or even creating your own exclusive membership community where people pay a premium to access your valuable knowledge. The sky's the limit when you become the go-to source in your niche. Okay, let's get real for a minute. Building an online business is no walk in the park. It takes dedication, grit, and a willingness to grind it out, especially in the beginning. So, before you get caught up in dreams of overnight riches, I want to give you some crucial reminders to keep you focused and motivated during the journey. First things first, consistency is king. Don't expect to build a thriving Google site and then disappear for weeks on end. You have to consistently show up, publish high-quality content, promote your website, and engage with your audience. Consistency builds trust, and positions you as a reliable source of information in your niche. Secondly, don't be afraid to experiment. There's no one-size-fits-all formula for success online. What works for one person might not work for another. Try different monetization strategies, experiment with content formats, and analyze what brings you the best results. The beauty of the digital world is that you can adapt and adjust your strategy quickly. And lastly, remember that this is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged if you hit roadblocks or if things don't seem to be moving as fast as you'd like. Overnight successes are rare. Focus on steady progress, learn from your mistakes, and celebrate the small wins along the way. With persistence and a rock-solid strategy, you can, and will transform your passion into a profitable online business. Okay MoneyBot crew, I know that was a lot to take in, but you got this. Building an income-generating Google site takes effort, but it's absolutely worth it. Remember, consistency is vital for success. So, what's your first step? Are you going to brainstorm that perfect niche, draft an awesome blog post, or maybe set up your free Google site right now? Comment below and let me know. And hey, smash that like button, and the notification bell so you never miss a video with money pack tips. Until next time, keep learning and keep working.